Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have YouTube Premium but your videos aren't downloading, don't worry, this guide will help you to fix it quickly. First of all, you need to make sure that your YouTube application is up to date. So in order to check for any update, simply open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube in the search bar. If you are able to find any of the update here, simply tap on the update button and update your YouTube application to the latest version. Afterwards, you need to check your internet connection because downloads won't work if your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is weak. You can try switching between the networks, or you can try restarting your router as well. After that, you need to launch your YouTube application, then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see this gear icon, so tap on it and here scroll down, and in the video and audio performance you will see the option of background and downloads. Now over here you will see two different options. The first is of download over Wi-Fi only. So you need to make sure that this option is turned off if you want to use mobile data. So if you want to download any video with the help of your mobile data, make sure that this option is turned off. But if you want to download the video with the help of the Wi-Fi data, make sure that this option is turned on. You can also check your phone's storage, and if it is full, YouTube can't actually save your videos. So make sure that you delete a few files and applications to free up some space. So if nothing works, you can try logging out of your account and then you can just simply log in back in. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.